Hey, what is going on, you guys? It's your boy here with a quick tutorial on how to create a compounding spreadsheet with your numbers app on your MacBook. So really quick, let's jump right into it. What you want to do is first, of course, start off by clicking on the numbers app and hit new document. Now, of course, we're going to start off with just a blank sheet because, of course, this is going to be customized to your liking. What I would first recommend doing is, of course, labeling. That's where I like to start. So for this, in this situation, let's just put we're gonna find out the end of year amount of a compounding interest of a starting principal amount. So let's put end of year here. Over here, you want to put your principal amount. Keep in mind this is just an example, so you can label this however you like. Over here, you want to put the interest that you're, let's assume that you're profiting for that time. So interest of, I don't know, let's just go with 10% in this example. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on here, and over here you want to go ahead and put the total amounts that you developed just for this quick example. So let's start off with this column first. At the end of the year, I usually like to start off with, of course, zero amount, because you want to start off with the beginning of the year, and then you want to click on this row and hit 1, and of course it's going to start going down the list. Of course, you don't want to just go one by one because it's too time consuming. So a little trick on how to do that: you want to hit this little, first you click here, and then you click on this little corner right here, bring it down, and then you have both of these selected, and then you're going to see a little yellow dot right here. This is the magic button on how to just drag down, and it's going to automatically input the numbers there for you. Now for the principal amount, let's assume we're going to start off with $1,000, and the interest that you're making is 10%. So what you want to do is you want to input a function, what's called a function, in this cell, so the system can do the math for you. So what I do is we want to start off by hitting the equal sign. So as soon as you hit the equal sign, this function button is going to pop up, and you want to click on the cell where the principal amount is. So click here, and then what you want to do is hit times and then the percentage amount, so you can get the amount that you're gonna obtain from the interest that's adding on. So let's put 0.10 because it's 10%, and that's $100. So now what you want to do is click on this cell right here, hit the equals button again. Now what you simply want to do is some simple math here. Click on this tab or this cell here where the principal amount is, plus this tab here. You hit enter. Now that you have that simple setup, you can kind of use your imagination and create the spreadsheet to your liking. You kind of have the basic idea of how the function works. So what we're going to do is we're going to move down to the second row, and what we want is the total amount to automatically populate here. So what we're going to do is just click on this cell and then hit the equals button again, and then simply click on this row, of course, which is D0, I guess, but it's going to just show up as a total there. So you hit enter, and it's going to bring this over here. Now the formula is already saved under these tabs. So what you simply want to do is click on this tab, so you can bring this formula down here automatically. Click on the magic yellow button here. Boom. And then you do the same on this side. It does the math right there for you. Now if what you want to do next is you want to start off with this row, because this row has all the functions already saved for you. So you scroll over to the right and watch magic work for you. watch your money compound for you, nice and easy. Now, of course, everything looks a little bit too basic right now, so we want to start doing now is, of course, switching everything to maybe like a currency. So, you know, because that's what we're basing everything out of. You want to make your spreadsheet look nice. You hit the little magic little friend here, on the bottom right hand corner. You scroll all the way to the bottom right hand side. You can select everything in there, and then this right here, this section over here, is going to be your section, you know, to basically do the adjustments, make your spreadsheet look nice. So for the data format, I like to use currency, of course. You have different options. You can select percentages, fractions, numeral system. In this case, we're just going to go with currency, and it changes everything to currency. Now, if you want to get even fancier, want to add some commas in there, hit the thousand separator and adds commas. If you want to get even fancier, hit the accounting style, make everything look nice and proper, puts the dollar signs over here, and then from there, you know, you kind of want to select your table. I like to select this little green table because, of course, you know, green equals to money, and I like money. So from this point, you know, you can kind of just use your imagination and play with the system. Alright, you guys, well, yeah, that was basically it. Hopefully you guys liked the quick video. I know it was pretty hard for me to find a decent one on YouTube. Hopefully this was helpful enough. And then, of course, once you get done, you want to go ahead and you know, label it compounding spreadsheet, and then you hit save, file, save. Actually export to, and then hit Excel. You want to hit Excel and just save it to your you know, you can save it to your desktop. That's what I do. Hit next, this, and then go to my desktop. Where's my desktop? Right here. Export, and it exports it straight to your desktop. Here it is. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button.